Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on a prowl again. In this video, I got 3 firecracker stocks from my watch list that I want to keep my eye on for when the market opens up on Tuesday. 2 of them are low price, high growth stocks with enormous, and I do mean enormous, growth potential for the very near future. That third stock is a firecracker with the most potential out of the 3. If this third stock pops like I think it's gonna pop, it can pop and go to all-time new highs and scream up like a firecracker. So if you want to add these 3 stocks from my watch list on to your watch list, if that's something that you're interested in, I see you on the other side. Without further ado, the first stock on the list goes by the name of Support.com Incorporated, ticker symbol SPRT. Support.com provides customer and technical support solutions through home-based employees primarily in the United States. The company offers outsourced customer support and cloud-based technology platforms to their clients. In other words, Support.com is a temporary staffing agency. It's a temp service. Now, with the economy being like it is, a lot of companies are having a hard time filling job openings and filling the positions that's needed to keep the company flowing. So what a lot of companies have decided to do is to reach out to temporary staffing agencies such as Support.com to have those positions filled. So we're going to take a look at the chart for Support.com Incorporated, ticker symbol SPRT. Is coming in at a price of only $4.38 per share. Now looking at this stock, it just broke out of this downtrend, and the average volume shares bought and or sold on any particular day is 1.32 million shares. But as of Friday, you had over 2.1 million shares. So what that tells me is that we have more than the normal amount of volume and buying pressure going into this stock. And as I said before, a lot of companies are having difficulties filling job openings because a lot of people are making more money by being at home on unemployment than they would by going to a job every day. So a lot of companies are reaching out to companies like Support.com. And I'm looking at this institutional buying. The institutional buying coming into Support.com is up over 106%. And being that this thing has just broken out of this downtrend, I would imagine within the next year, this price is going to try to get towards $6 to $7. So if I were you, I would put this firecracker on your watch list, and I would just keep an eye on it, because like I always say, I can look at the bottom of the chart and it tells me it's going up. So if you want to get it now, before the price gets higher than $4.38, I would suggest that you keep your eye on Support.com. Coming in at number 2, company by the name of HUT 8 Mining Corporation, ticker symbol HUT. Now HUT 8 Mining Corporation operates a cryptocurrency mining company in Canada. Now the company engages in industrial scale Bitcoin mining operations. So if you are looking for a company to invest in that'll give you a back doorway to get invested in crypto, mainly Bitcoin. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, as I am, and you think Bitcoin is going higher, this little firecracker stock might be something that you want to keep your eye on. Keep your eye on it, because this is going higher. Now, once again, Hut 8 Mining Corporation, ticker symbol HUT, it's a company that specializes in mining Bitcoin. Now, this has huge growth potential. It's been rising even though the price of Bitcoin has been falling. This stock right here has still been rising even though Bitcoin has been falling. So what that tells me is that if this thing is strong enough to rise as the price of Bitcoin falls, that tells me that this strong stock is going to continue to be strong. Now, what you think will happen to a company that has a stock price of only $5.16 a share? What you think will happen to that stock price once Bitcoin starts to do what Bitcoin usually do, and that's scream higher? This $5 and some odd cent stock is going to be a lot more expensive in the future than it is right now. So that's why I'm keeping this little firecracker. I'm keeping it on my watch list, and I'm keeping my eye on it. I'm going to watch it, because this stock right here, Hut 8 Mining Corporation, ticker symbol HUT, once again, the price is $5.16. They specialize in mining Bitcoin, and this has huge potential. And just like the other stock, it too also has broken out from this downtrend. Now, looking at the average volume of this stock, which is the shares bought and or sold on any particular day, the average is 1.26 million. But on Friday, Hut 8 Mining Corporation traded 5.5 million shares. Now, as I always say, I'm not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything you hear on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. But what I will tell you is what I am going to do. I'm going to keep my eye on HUT, Hut 8 Mining Corporation, because being that it already broke out from this downtrend and is on 4 times the amount of average volume, and I can look right here at the bottom of the screen and I can see these big green volume spikes. This is telling me that this thing is gonna scream higher like a firecracker to all-time highs. Now, I would imagine this will get as far up as $8 a share, if not even higher. So keep an eye on HUT, Hut 8 Mining Corporation. Coming in at number 3, this stock is a biotech company. And as I said in the intro, this stock has the most and the highest potential to pop out, pop, pop, pop like a firecracker and scream to all-time new highs. So coming in at number 3 is a company by the name of Atreca Incorporated, ticker symbol BCEL. Atreca is a biotech company that specializes in treating tumors, breast cancer, and also lung deficiencies. So this right here is something that I can't wait. And I'll say again, this is something that I cannot wait until it breaks out. Take a look at this chart. Atreca Incorporated, ticker symbol BCEL, coming in at a price of only $8.95 per share, has huge buy-in that's come into this stock. Now, the average volume traded, shares bought and or sold, is 464,000 shares bought and or sold on the daily average. But on Friday, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Atreca Incorporated traded 1.996 million shares. I need to highlight it. Let me show you what's going on with this. Look at that. All of this buying pressure on the bottom of your screen. See those big green shoots at the bottom? That's heavy, and I do mean heavy buying pressure. And when this thing breaks out above the $9 range, look for this to do just like this right here. It's going up. So once again, Atreca Incorporated, ticker symbol BCEL, is a bottle rocket, is a firecracker stock that you need to keep your eyes on. So I got these three bangers, these three firecracker stocks on my watch list that I'm going to keep my eyes on Tuesday when the market opens up. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If so, do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell. That way when the next video comes out, you'll get an alert and you can come back and we can do this all over again. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude. I'll holler at you later. Peace.